Hi everyone, this is Laura with another ClickFix video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create upload boxes that you can add to your Ontraport pages, and they look something like this. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. So the first step is to go to the ClickFix app, and when you are on the dashboard, you can just click on Better Fields and then on Uploader. Here's where you're going to set everything up, and here's where you're going to choose where the files are going to be stored. So let's check the uploader module that I already created. I'm going to talk you through all the steps that I took. So the first step is to name it. I just name it test, and then I just selected my Ontraport API key. If you have any questions on how to do that, you can just click on the help section, or you can refer back to our old videos and find how to set it up, but it's pretty simple. And then you're going to choose the provider that you want to use to store the files. So we have a few options here. For this example, we're going to use Google Drive. You want to authorize ClickFix to work with your Google account. So for that, you're going to click on the help section, which is going to take you to this page where you can just add your Google key and just name it. You choose a provider, which is Google, and then it's going to take you to the Google login page, so you give it permission to work with ClickFix. Once you have that, you can just click on your authorization key, and I just name it demo. And the next step is to choose what type of upload box you want. So we have a few options here, which is file only, photo only, audio only, and a few other combinations. And now you're going to type in the extensions that you want to have on your box. So I just type a few popular ones for this example. Just have to separate them with a comma. And the next step is to type in the path in which you want to store the files. So here I'm going to have paths with the file name and the extension of the file. Now you're going to click on active and click on, and select your validation rules. So you can select a maximum file size in megabytes, and you can also choose if you only want to allow one file or to allow several files. After you click on submit, you're going to get your upload box shortcode that we're going to be using on Ontraport. Now back to the landing page. The first step is to add your form fields in which you want to upload the file. I have 3 here, so the one for files, one for images, and one from audio, and also the email field to track the user. Once you have that, you can go to the custom code, and I'm going to delete this so I can show you how the page looks without the shortcode. So as you can see here, the page looks like it has just regular form fields before we use the shortcode. And now we're going to paste the shortcode. So first you want to get your field ID, and for that you're going to need the ClickFix Chrome extension. And once you have that set up, you can just highlight the field IDs. So for the file upload, the field ID is this last part of the ID, which is after the F. After the dash, including the F. And then you just paste it on the part of the shortcode that asks for the field ID. So I'm just gonna copy this one, paste it here, and now replace the field ID. Okay, now we're just going to publish. And we're going to try to upload a file. So it can be a PNG. And once it's set to 100, you can just submit, and you're going to find the file on your Google Drive. So here's my Google Drive account, and here is the actual image that was uploaded to my drive. And if you go to your contact on Ontraport, which is the test contact that I just used, you can see that here you're going to be storing the link where the file is stored. So that's basically it. You can do the same thing with the image upload and the audio upload fields. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.